ati ciana irato maguru irathago maguru nigetha igacoka igatwarwo thibitari ikaruta thibitari tware tondoi jera ucio niguo bururi uyu turenda gutura. Muthenya ungi arauga atiriri ati kuna msemo unasema mtoto asiyefunzwa na wazazi wake atafunzwa na nini? Sasa kufunza ni kumulaza kwa kamburi, si ndio? Kana tukiugia atia anyway tikirongai atonu ngai ni agaruraga tukumuthaithia tu agarure mutongoria witu. Mwathani amurathime na mweke wega.
They have shown us their true colors. They said it is a bottom-up economy. We never knew that they're going to take the people from the bottom and take them to heaven. The bottom-up. It is bringing the notion of what you order versus what you get. We ordered for good governance, but now what we are getting is opposite of what we ordered. But we have nothing to do. We're going to leave it to the Lord and say, Jacqueline, rest in peace.
95% of the youth don't vote. They don't vote. You are not promising in change because you don't have those voting cards in your pocket. You don't vote. Even if you have, hamtokeangi kuvote. Hata mkitokea, you don't have the patience to wait for the queue to go and cast your vote.